Model, 2016 Nissan X-Trail N-TEC dCi 134 wheel drive, automatic 7-seater starts runs perfect needs turbo starstruck. Body, white 4x4. Mileage, 77,635. MOT, the 7th of November 2024. Engine, 1598 cc R9M-1.6 E6. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, 2 keys, sat-nav, cruise control, reversing camera, parking sensors, electric windows, start-stop, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,625. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.